Excuse me. Why are you digging in the trash?
I'm trying to find something to eat.
Where are your parents at?
My mom and dad died in a car accident ever since I've been on my own.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What's your name?
My name is Jamie. What's your name?
My name is Mrs. Jones, and this is my husband, Mr. Jones. Here, I want you to take this and get you something to eat and a place to stay.
Baby, that's our rent money. What are you doing?
You want us to let the kids starve? Baby, take the money and get you something to eat.
You're gonna give me your rent money?
Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna give you something, and this is gonna protect you, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning. It's the landlord.
Jones, got bad news, man. We sold the house this morning, and the new owner will be here shortly.
Bob, I told you we will get you your money. We want to buy the house. We need just a little bit more time.
I'm sorry. The house is already sold. You have to leave now.
Bob, we don't have anywhere else to go. Please.
Sorry, man. Please, hurry. That's the new owner.
Let's just go get our stuff.
Bob, where are we gonna go? On the road?
Whoa. The video is not over yet. I came across this video on social media and something tells me to post this and let people learn a lesson. The vulture is a patience bird. Yes. If an animal is not dead, the vulture will never go to eat the carcass. Never. So the vulture got to be patient and be patient and be patient. And what does that teach us? Do good when you can. Sow a seed. When you do good to somebody, you are sowing a seed for your future. It may not necessarily mean that where you sow the seed, you are going to harvest. No. Sometimes where you sow the seeds will still come back and you will harvest from it. When you see people suffering, please give a helping hand. Let me tell you a story. I don't like telling this story. Let me just do it snappy. A friend of mine, a very, very close friend of mine, up to this moment, I was a DJ. Actually, I'm an entrepreneur. I was an entrepreneur at that time. I have a studio. I have a shop where I run business. And this guy in particular, there are many of them who are students. They come to my shop and request we eat. And I buy food and say we eat. I say, hey, give me transport money. I want to go home. We live like family. When they come every day, they must come to my shop. And inside me, I never knew I was sowing a seed. Now, some of them gain an admission into university. One of them gained an admission into university. In particular, this one I'm talking about. He's going to watch this video. I never knew I was sowing a seed. When they come back from school, and you know, somebody that come out of a family where there's no much, if you want to go back to school, the family may not even have at that moment to give all. You know what I mean? Not that the family, they don't have at all. Say, okay, this money is for you to go and buy your handout in school. I don't have money for your transport. You can easily run to me and say, hey, Solo, give me transport money. I want to go. Okay, this is what I have. Even though I may not have given them everything, but I say, okay, take this little. I never knew I was sowing a seed. I did it to many, but only one stand out to help me. When I'm in need, when I have problem, let me tell you. I was walking down the street one day and he called. He saw me, say, hey, where have you been? They told me your shop, you have an fire inferno and your shop is burned and you're doing nothing. Why don't you look for me? You see, get inside the car. I got inside the car. He took me to the house and said, hey, man, henceforth you are with me. You're going to South Africa. It will be a shameful thing for you to be standing here doing nothing. Go to South Africa. Whatever they do in South Africa, I know you can survive. Come on, do it. I went to South Africa. He sent me to South Africa. From South Africa, I came to Israel. He came to South Africa like 2-3 times. He came to Israel. He spent only 2 nights in Israel. 2 nights coming to see me. Say, hey, boy, I'm going back. I come to see you. Let's go back. Let's go back to Africa and go to Europe. I said, no, let me be patient. Enjoy this. Whatever you are making, let me leave you with this phrase. Work not to live, but to give. If you're working not only to live and work to give. I told God one thing. How do I put this? In each salary that I get in my life, as long as I sit in this Israel right now working, something must go out for someone somewhere that need it. God bless you, and watch the rest of the video. Please, the channel is growing, and the more the channel is growing, the lesser we are seeing the subscribers. I mean, it's people who are watching this video. But I know one day this channel will grow more, because Vulture is a patience bet. Trust me. Good morning and thank you for watching. Watch the rest of the video.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. So, what's the holdup?
The Jones are getting the stuff and they'll be out in a second.
The Jones?
Yeah, Jones, you know?
I'm not sure. Can I meet them?
Sure. Come on.
Please, just give us a few more minutes, please. Just please give us a few more minutes, please. Just a few more.
Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
Mrs. Jones!
Jones! Come see, it's Jamie!
Excuse me, sir. If you don't mind me asking, how do you guys know each other?
You see, I was homeless as a child. Didn't have anywhere to sleep. I didn't have anything to eat. But Mr. and Mrs. Jones, they saw me scavenging through a trash can. They gave me their last, man. They gave me their rent. And they didn't have any more money. But they saved me, man. These people right here, they saved me. Do you have the key?
The house is yours.
Come bless you, Jamie.
You're welcome, Mrs.
God
Jones.
bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You deserve it.
A simple act of kindness can go a long way. It may not repay you today or tomorrow, but do good, and good will follow you.
Each one helps one. If you see someone in need and you can help them, no matter how small it is, it could mean a lot to them and may help them in ways you can't imagine.
Love makes the world go round. Without love, we're empty.
Help someone today. Show them that someone cares. Show them that someone loves them.